Good morning. Are you ready?
I am Groot.
What do you mean for what? For the photo shoot.
I am Groot.
I calibrated the printer. You are beautiful.
I am Groot.
No, you're not spaghetti.
I am Groot.
Forget about the failures before you.
I'm Groot.
No, you're not ugly.
I am Groot.
No, people are not gonna say that.
I am Groot.
Listen, you're 20% wood.
I am Groot.
You'll be fine.